Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. And as can you see, here we got the ringtone notification volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume, swipe this blue dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. And also you can make it by the second way. You just get here on the right side of your device the volume buttons. You can change but here, as can you see, you got set at the media volume, so you just should go here to the three dots, and by this way, and by the same way swap this blue dot to the left or to the right side. You can by this way change your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.